The ancient town of Aguleri will be agog with activities this festive season as sons and daughters of the cradle of the Igbo tribe will return in mass to participate in majestic traditions amidst the Christmas and New Year celebration. Named after the progenitor Agolo, the son of Eri, Aguleri, the fast-developing rural community will spring to life in colorful and artistic display of cultural dances and festivals that speak volumes of their rich cultural heritage. At the end of each year, the ancient city dazzles with life and fanfare. The celebration starts with the Igbo festival, which features young masquerades representing the soldiers of old who defended the kingdom in many fierce battles and defeated their enemies.
In that victory lied the emancipation of our people. So we celebrate a nationhood, that we are a people who determine our fate, that we are a people who cannot be easily conquered, that we are a people who are free to pursue our lives. We do it at the beginning of every year as a prelude to Ovala festivities.
The young men and women roll out the drums and in colorful attires ignite the fire of celebration, their joyous faces beaming smiles of peace, unity, love, and thanksgiving. The Igbo festival heralds the Ovala Aguleri festival. The Ovala Aguleri festival attracts all sorts of activities and celebrations which Aguleri residents hold in the highest esteem.
Majesty, Christopher,
The chiefs, men, youths, women folk and children troop out in their large numbers at Amigwe Ezidigo Square. Then emerges the traditional ruler in the full regalia and definition of his royalty, with a retinue of his council members following. Dancing to the majestic sound of the drums, he moves round the square, exchanges pleasantries with the people, pronouncing royal blessings upon them. In 2019, the people of Aguleri introduced an annual lecture to document and preserve their rich cultural heritage and enlighten the younger generation.
The fact that you commenced this organized celebrations with a social organization of our children is very significant. One of the things I have learned that in our generation, our children are growing apart. The social interaction that you commenced this with shows that you have an eye on history and on the necessity for our children to inherit our good ways and for them to meet and know themselves and cultivate the richness in friendship. Igbo Aguleri.
At the end of the festivals, the Aguleri people, led by the Igwe, held a special Thanksgiving service to thank God for his blessings and protection.
We've had it over 120 years. Now we felt it's the time to start exporting it, so that it will become an international event. So every year we keep improving on it, so that over a period of time, the international community will recognize that this at a carnival that is happening in Aguleri every January of the year. That's our aim.
All roads will soon lead to Aguleri, Anambra East Council area, to witness this year's celebration from Tuesday 29th December 2020 to Monday 4th January 2021. All programs are planned in conformity with COVID-19 regulations. So, plan to attend.
Aguleri,